In last lecture, we discussed about the monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols are classified into two types. First is alcohol containing sp3 hybridized carbon hydroxyl bond, and second is alcohol containing sp2 hybridized carbon hydroxyl bond. Today we learn to alcohol containing sp2 hybridized carbon hydroxyl bond. The alcohol in which OH group is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atoms in part of carbon-carbon double bond. In part of carbon-carbon double bond is known as alcohol containing sp2 hybridized carbon hydroxyl bond. The alcohol containing sp2 hybridized carbon hydroxyl bond is also known as the phenyl alcohol. The structure of phenyl alcohol: CH2 double bond CH and OH. The alcohol containing OH group is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon hydroxyl bond. sp2 hybridized carbon hydroxyl bond in part of carbon-carbon double bond. In part of carbon-carbon double bond. In this structure is also known as the phenyl alcohol, or alcohol containing sp2 hybridized carbon hydroxyl bond is also known as the phenyl alcohol. Today we discuss about the nomenclature system of alcohol. There are the two types of nomenclature system of alcohol. First is the common, or it is also known as the trivial name system. Common, or it is also known as the trivial name system. The common name of alcohols are obtained by adding word alcohol after the name of alkyl group. Second, the prefix like ion, iso, secondary, new, tertiary are used to indicate the selected nature, are indicated to the structural nature. For example, CH3OH in the structures by using the name of alkyl group. In the structure, CH3 is known as the alkyl. And OH is known as the alcohol. In the structures, alcohol after the name of alkyl group. In this structure, alcohol after the name of alkyl group. In this structure, OH group is also known as the alcohol. First, CH3 is also known as the methyl. And OH is also known as the alcohol. And name of the structure is the methyl alcohol. Second rules: the prefix like ion, secondary, iso, tertiary, new are used to indicate the structural nature. In this structure, presence in the straight line. Add the prefix ion. add the prefix in N. Second example, CH3, C, CH3, CH3, H and OH. In this carbon is bonded to two methyl group and one OH group. OH group is directly attached to secondary carbon atoms. OH group is directly attached to secondary carbon atoms. Add the prefix secondary. Add the prefix like secondary. SEC means secondary. Add the prefix secondary. And name of the structure is the secondary alcohol, or in this structure is also known as the secondary propyl alcohol. Secondary propyl alcohol. Alcohols are after the adding of prefix alkyl group. Alcohols after the name of alkyl group. Second structure, or in this structure is also known as the secondary is also known as the iso. Secondary is also known as the iso. In this structure is also known as the isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. In this carbon is bonded to one other carbon atoms. In this carbon is bonded to one other carbon atoms, and name of the structure is isopropyl alcohol. And name of the structure is isopropyl alcohol, or it is also known as the secondary propyl alcohol. It is also known as the secondary propyl alcohol. Next example, CH3, C, CH3, C, CH3 and OH. In this carbon is bonded to two other carbon atoms. In this carbon is bonded to two other carbon atoms. Add the prefix new. Add the prefix new, and name of the structure is neobutyl alcohol. In this structure presence in the four carbon atoms. In this structure presence in the four carbon atoms, and name of the structure neobutyl, and add the word alcohol, and add the word of alcohol after the name of alkyl group. In this structure CH3, C, CH3 and CH3. In this structure is also known as the butyl. Butyl is also known as the alkyl group. Butyl is also known as the alcohol. In this structure add the suffix of neobutyl alcohol, or in this structure is also known as the add the prefix of tertiary. Add the prefix of tertiary, and in this structure present in the four carbon atoms. In this structure present in the four carbon atoms. Name of the structure is the butyl. Name of the structure is butyl, or it is also known as the tertiary butyl alcohol. Next point, IUPAC name system. IUPAC name system is depend upon the rules. IUPAC name system is depend upon the rules. First rule: select the longest continuous carbon atom chain containing OH group selected as parent alkene. Second rule: in this parent alkene chain The numbering is starting from ending which is nearest to OH group. The numbering is starting from ending which is nearest to OH group. Third rules. The ending E, parent alkane, is replaced by OL, that is alkanol. The ending E, alkane, the ending E, the parent alkane, ending E is replaced by last letter alkane. E is replaced by alkanol. E is replaced by alkanol. E is replaced by OL. E is replaced by OL. Next, fourth rule. Side chains, if any, are indicated by proper names. The locant in which side chains are any indicated by proper names or proper numbers. Next, for example, CH3 CH2 OH, CH3 CH2 OH. In this structure containing two carbon atoms. Name of the structure is ethene. In this alkane, last letter E. Is replaced by OL. In this alkane, last letter E is replaced by alcohol OL, means the alkanol, or in this structure is also known as the ethanol. E is replaced by OL and name of the structure is ethanol. Second example, CH3 CH2 and OH. How many carbons are present in this structure? In this structure present in 3 carbon atoms. And name of the structure is propane. Or name of the alkanes is propane. In this propane, last letter E is replaced by, in this alkane or in this propane, the last letter E is replaced by OL. In this alkane, last letter E is replaced by OL and name of the structure is propanol. CH2 and OH. 5 PC rules. Select the longest continuous chain containing OH group containing parent alkane chain. In these chains present in the OH group. Second rule, the numbering is starting from ending which is nearest to OH group. The numbering is starting from ending which is nearest to OH group. Third rule, the ending E of parent alkane is replaced by OL, that is the alkanol. In this chain containing 4 carbon atoms, in this parent alkane chain containing 4 carbon atoms, or in this alkane is also known as the butane. In this alkane, the last letter E is replaced by, alcohol, or is replaced by alcohol OL, that is the alkanol, or name of the structure is butanol. In this alkane, last letter E is replaced by OL, that is the butanol. IUPAC name system. Select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing OH group selected as the parent alkane chain. Second rule, in this parent alkane chain, the numbering is starting from ending which is nearest to OH group. Third rules, the alkane E is replaced by alkanol OL. That is the suffix E is replaced by suffix OL, that is the alkanol. In this parent alkane chain consists of the 4 carbon atoms and name of the alkane is butane. Last letter E is replaced by alkanol OL. Next, some examples of common name systems and IUPAC name systems. Common name systems and IUPAC name system. Next, common name. IUPAC name. First, CH3OH. It is also known as a methyl alcohol. IUPAC name. In this IUPAC name system, select the longest continuous chain containing OH group of the parent alkane chain. In this parent alkane chain, numbering is starting from ending which is nearest to OH group. In this carbon atom chain consists of the only one carbon atoms. Name of the structure is methane. In this alkane, the last letter E is replaced by alkanol OL, or name of the structure is methanol. Second example, CH3CH2OH. In this parent alkane chain consists of the 2 carbon atoms. Name of the structure is ethyl alcohol. And IUPAC name system. In this structure is also known as the ethane. In this parent alkene chain consists of the 2 carbon atoms. And in this alkene is also known as the ethane. Last letter E is replaced by OL, that is the ethanol. Ethanol. Third example, CH3, CH2 and OH. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Name of the structure is, or common name of the structure is propyl alcohol, or it is also known as the N-propyl alcohol. Or IUPAC name of structure propanol. Propanol. Fourth example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and OH. Name of the structure in this parent alkane chain. Common name of the in this parent alkane chain. Attachment of OH group and name of the structure is N-butyl alcohol. N-butyl alcohol. IUPAC name system. IUPAC name system. Butanol. IUPAC name system. IUPAC name system. Select the longest continuous chain containing. Select the longest continuous carbon chain containing OH group as the parent alkane chain. The second rule, the numbering is starting from ending which is nearest to OH group. Third rule, the alkane E or the ending E of parent alkane, is replaced by OL, that is alkanol. In this chain consists of the four carbon atoms and name of the structure is butane. Third rules, the alkane or the parent alkane, the last letter E is replaced by alkanol, OL, that is alkanol, or in this structure is also known as butanol. Next CH3, CH2, OH. In this structure is also known as how many carbons are present in this structure? 4 carbons. 4 carbon is also known as the N, or in this structure, in this carbon consists of the one other carbon atoms and name of the structure is isobutyl alcohol. In this carbon is attachment of one other carbon atoms and name of the structure is isobutyl alcohol. Iso means that in this carbon consists of the 2 carbon atoms, or in this carbon is attachment of one other carbon atoms. Isobutyl alcohol. Or in this structure, IUPAC name system, name of the structure is depend upon the IUPAC name system. First rule, select the longest continuous parent alkane chain containing OH group as selected as parent alkane chain. Second rule, in this parent alkane chain, the numbering is starting from ending which is nearest to OH group, means numbering is starting from in these carbons, first, second, third or third. Choose the longest continuous chain. Third rule, the ending E of the parent alkane chain is replaced by OL, that is the alkanol. Name of the structure is, in this carbon atom chain, second position consists of the methyl group. Name of the structure or name of the example is 2 second carbon consists of the methyl group. And name of the structure is 2-methyl methyl. Next 2-methyl, 2-methyl propane, 2-methyl propane, 2-methyl propane. Propane, the last letter E is replaced by OA. In this OH group is attachment of first carbon atoms. In this OH group is attachment of first carbon atoms. To name of the structure is propane 1OL. Propane 1OL. In this structure is also known as the 2-methyl propane 1OL. Next example, 6 number, CH3, CCH3 and OH. In this structure or in this common name system, in this carbon is attachment of two other carbon atoms. Add the alcohols after name of the alkyl group. Addition the word alcohols after the name of alkyl group. In this carbon consists of the two locant and name of the structure is new. Add the prefix like two carbon. In this carbon, central metal carbon atoms is attachment or it is bonded in two other carbon atoms is known as the new or tertiary. In this structure is also known as the tertiary. And alkane chain. In this alkane chain consists of the 4 carbon atom. Name of the structure is tertiary butyl alcohol. IUPAC name system. First rule: select the longest continuous chain. Select the longest. In this type of carbon chain, choose the longest continuous chain. In this carbon atom chain, choose the longest continuous chain. First carbon, second or second. All of these sides are same numbering, or all carbons are the same numbering. First, in this carbon atom chain, the numbering is starting from ending which is nearest to OH group. In this chain, ending which is nearest to OH group means in this carbon consists of the middle type of carbon or central metal carbon. The numbering is starting from ending which is nearest to OH group. First, second and third. Ending, select longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing OH group selected as parent alkane. In this parent alkane chain, numbering is starting from that end means in this type. First, second, third or first, second, third. In this carbon consists of the middle type of carbon atoms. Third, IUPAC name system. In this carbon atom chain is attachment of 1-methyl group. Name of the structure is 2-methyl. 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. The ending E, the alkane ending or the ending E of parent alkane is replaced by OL, that is alkanol. 2-methyl propane. In this structure, OH group is attachment of second carbon atoms. To the name of structure 2-methyl propane. 2OL. Propane 2OL. Propane 2OL. Stop here.